Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. In today's video, we'll discuss how to change your iPhone's GPS location and why the UltFone iOS location changer is the best choice. Some of you may have heard of 3uTools, a free program that helps manage your iPhone and change its location. While it does offer basic virtual location functionality, it often has some issues. Maps might not load properly, location changes might fail due to network or device compatibility problems, and most importantly, it doesn't support movement or joystick controls. Therefore, if you want a smoother, more flexible experience, 3uTools might not be enough. That's where the UltFone iOS location changer comes in. This powerful software not only lets you change your virtual location instantly, but also allows you to simulate real movement using a joystick, plan routes, and customize speed. Perfect for apps and games like Pokémon Go. You can download the UltFone iOS location changer for PC from the link in the video description. Once installed, connect your iPhone to your computer and launch the app. For first-time use, simply enable Bluetooth on your iPhone to pair with your computer. Once set up, tap Input, search for your desired location, and then tap Start Changing. Select Game Mode, wait for the connection to succeed, and then tap Change again to confirm. Your virtual location will be successfully changed within seconds. The real highlight of the UltFone iOS location changer is its 4 smart movement modes and joystick control. You can move freely along one or more routes, adjust speed and direction in real time, or pause at any time. The vertical joystick gives you complete control over your movement, catch Pokémon, or explore different locations even while sitting on the couch. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please click the link below to download the UltFone iOS location changer. Like this video and subscribe for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching. See you next time.